Let's give it a go. Cheers. That is really nice. Very peanutty. A really distinct flavour. I'm going to do that again. Hi, it's Emma with Really Simple Recipes, and today we're going to be making peanut milk. Okay, let's get started. So the ingredients I have here are some dates, your peanuts, and some water. So what I've done first of all, the peanuts have been soaking. They've been soaking for around 6 hours. You can leave them overnight. Some people, they will peel their nuts. I prefer not to, just because it's easier. So what we need to do first of all is grab our Vitamix. I have already measured out the required water, so I'm using the same amount of water that I would use for my almond milk, so that I've got enough to fit in my bottle. So what we need to do now then, we need to add our nuts into the blender. There we go. And we're going to pop in our dates as well. So this is a Vitamix, so it can cope with the nuts and the dates together. If you haven't got a Vitamix and your blender isn't as powerful, just put in a bit at a time just to make things a little bit easier on it. Okay, and let's stick it on. Okay, so let's just move that out of the way now that it's blended. So I've got my trusty nut bag already over my bowl. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just pop the mixture into the nut bag. There we go. Okay, and here is a fun bit. I'm going to give that a good squeeze. Make sure we get it all out. I am surprised at how white this milk is, considering I did leave on the skins which are quite brown. But it's really come out really white. I will add, this is the first time making peanut milk, so I've not tried this before, so it's a new one for me. Just make sure we get it all out. Give there a bit of a stir. Okay, and then we've got everything that we can get out of that. Okay, and what we're going to do now is pop it into our bottle, and you'll see when I pour this how white it is. Look at that. It smells a lot nuttier than your almond milk. It's as simple as that, peanut milk. I hope that you've enjoyed my video today. If you have, please give me a like. And if you would like to see even more really simple recipes, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you've got any comments, any feedback, please pop that below as well. I'm more than happy to look at them and get back to you. Thank you for watching my recipe.